Okay, so as I start moving towards using method syntax for querying a link, we're going to be using something called extension methods. So this is a really quick review of what extension methods are. So extension methods extend the original class functionality without modifying it or recompiling it. So it is a static method in a static class. It uses this keyword before the type to be extended. Extension methods are easier to use and discover than conventional methods. They extend a current object and display in an IntelliSense and are more easily discoverable. So that's basically the review of extension methods. They're basically the methods that when you type in your type, when you hit a dot, the methods will actually show available methods, will show in the list, and the little arrow down means it's an extension method. So I'll go ahead and create one in the code really quick. So to do that, I'll go ahead and add another project here, and I call it acm.library. So I created the acm.library. Now I'll add a class here, and I'll call it string extensions. And inside of this class, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get a current culture from the thread, and I'm going to try to set whatever string I send in to the title syntax, which is all capital first letters. So basically I use this culture info inside a thread, that current thread current culture, and then I got a text info out of it, culture info, that text info, and then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and return my text info that to title case and my original string. So this will basically take a string, check out what the culture info is, take this text info and then return text info to title case. So the next thing I need to do is I need to test this, and in order to do this I'll go ahead and create another test step here, and I'll call it acm.library.test. So I went ahead and created library test, and I created this string extension test unit test right here. And in here what I need to do is I need to stage first, and to stage I'll create two strings. One is going to be my original, and this is going to be something like I want to test this. Correct or expected one should look something like I want to test this. So this is our stage. Act is when we actually call the string extensions class. Sorry, this is string. Convert to title case, then we go ahead and set the original. And then we do assert. First make sure it's not null, the result. R equal result comma, correct. So next thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and run this test. And it passes. So now to make this into the extension method, instead of having to specify the name of the class, name of the method, and then pass this, well, two things that we need to make sure is that this is a static class with a static method, and then we put a this in front of the type that we're extending, which is the string. And that's basically all we have to do here. And then how we call the extension method is different. We just say is our original dot, and then here's our extension method with the arrow down, convert to title case. And when we run this again, it should also be it should also pass, and it passes. So this is a quick overview of extension methods and what they're used for, and this is going to be used quite a bit as we move along to the next topic, which is going to be a method syntax for using the LINQ queries.